Have you ever wondered what it's like to take delivery of a Ford GT Supercar? Here at South Bay Ford, we recently had a client take delivery of his Ford GT, and he was kind enough to let us tag along with our cameras so that we could share this process with you. Our client had been waiting 5 years for this day, so you could feel the excitement in the air when the delivery truck pulled in. And that leads us to step 1. The new GT is delivered and unveiled in a Ford-approved trailer, and you meet your GT delivery specialist.
Hey, good morning everybody. My name's Steve Coates. I'm the Ford GT delivery specialist. Your mate's here 5 minutes before the truck arrives. The truck will be arriving any minute now. Then from there, we're going to open up the whole truck, get the vehicle out, and then spend a good couple of hours walking the new owner through the whole vehicle.
The next step is to fire it up and carefully unload her. After that, the delivery specialist moves the GT to a designated area away from everything so he can have a good space to perform a full walkthrough with the new owner. Once there, the GT specialist will perform the pre-delivery inspection. The next step is where the new owner's dreams becomes a reality: getting inside the new GT for the first time. This is the most consuming step, but it's also the most informative. The new owner gets a comprehensive walkthrough of both the interior and exterior. The final step, well, this is definitely the best step. The new owner gets behind the wheel and takes his new Ford GT Supercar home. So there you have it, the step-by-step delivery process for the Ford GT. Have questions? Feel free to give us a call and we'll assist you. Thanks for watching South Bay Ford.